oxygen and nutrients inside of your body's organs and tissues. And your body weight will just have 7% of your blood weight. And inside your blood, there is 4 kinds. First kind was plasma, platelets, red blood cells, and white blood cells. Platelets, plasma, they will just get inside your blood 55%. And platelets, red blood cells, and white blood cells, when it adds together, it will turn into 45% of blood. And now we're going to talk about the plasma. Plasma, it will carry red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, also nutrients inside your bloodstream. And inside of your bloodstream, sometimes inside of it will have nuclear metabolism. And next is platelets. Platelets can help you, it is also made of bones. They can help you to reduce stop bleeding and fast clotting. And if you just has a lot, you will have thrombus and stroke. If you have a bit of plasma or platelets, you will get peachy. And next I'm going to introduce the red blood cells. It was made of bones, and it will carry oxygen and carbon dioxide into lungs. And lungs will make carbon dioxide out of your body. And if you just has a bit of it inside of your body, you will get anemia. And white blood cells. White blood cells, it was made of lymphoid tissues and bones. And it will kill off the intruders and invaders that was inside your body. And it was inside the immune system that was the immune craft. And white blood cells start or bits, it will change your immune systems in your body. Now I'm going to introduce more facts about white blood cells and red blood cells. White blood cells has 3 kinds. 3 kinds inside has particle bombs, nucleus cells, and lymphoid cells. And it was the first part that goes to the line of defense, second and last one. Inside the particle cells, there is neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. And the neutrophils, it was the first that gets to the inflammatory cells. And it was the most lots that was inside your body. And the eosinophils. Eosinophils, it will kill all the invaders that was also has parasites. And basophilic, it will produce histamine to let inflammatory sites getting bigger and bigger. And it will get more of the white blood cells and come to make that place to then start clotting. And nucleus cell, there is microphage and dendritic cell. And it will help you to eat the cells that was going to die or the old parts. And it will kill germs. The fragments of the germs, it will put it on the cell membrane. And then the lymphoid cells will make it immune. And when next time that germs come here again, the immune system will just help it to be immune. And the lymphoid cells, there is T cell, B cell, and natural killer cells. T cells will protect the cells that was being died, and B cells will protect the antibody, will produce the antibodies. Natural killer cells will kill the virus. What was the red blood cells functions? It was the most cells that was inside your body, and it can get oxygen and carbon dioxide straight out of the lungs. Backs of the heart. They will pump blood and oxygen, and your heart will just weigh like 7 to 17 pounds. And when you just burn out, you will get fast heart. Your heart has 4 chambers, like right ventricles and left ventricles, and also right atrium and left atrium. And you will beat 1 million a day.
100,000.
100,000 a day. And lungs. Lungs was made of 300 million of alveoli. Alveoli will help you to make your breathe to the exchange.
Very good.
And diaphragm, it will help you to have respiratory exercise. When you inhale, the diaphragm will get stuck, and when you exhale, the diaphragm will go to the same place that it gets. The air exchange, the oxygen will get inside your body and gets to the red blood cells on. And then when the red blood cells come in, oxygen gets inside your tissues and your organs. And when it gets out, it will go to the alveoli and get out of your body. And the digestive system. There is digestive tract and digestive glands. Inside the tract, there is your mouth and esophagus, stomach and small intestine, big intestine, and anus. And it will help you to chew, storage, and deliver foods inside your body. And digestive glands, there is pancreas, gallbladder, and liver. It will produce the things to break down food. And the digestive system, it will help you to chew. And when it gets inside your mouth, it will produce saliva. And it will break down foods and break down the starch too. And when it gets inside the esophagus, it will just contract the things that is inside your bolus as you eat. And it will collect foods. And when it gets inside your stomach, it will produce stomach acids that will break down the proteins of your food. And the liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas, it will break down some fats of your food. And the pancreas will break down sugar. And when it gets inside the small intestine, inside there is some villi. And villi will take some nutrients inside your food and get to the organs and tissues to make you have energy. And when it gets out of the water in the big intestine, it will have poop. And it needs 30 to 40 hours. It's the endocrine system. There is hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal glands, pancreas, and gonads. And the hypothalamus, it was the most important in your body, and it will produce some major part in its pituitary hormones. And the pituitary, it will control your body and other glands. And the thyroid, it will produce and control the metabolism that will grow your health. And parathyroid glands, it will produce the parathyroid hormones. And adrenal glands, it will just produce the cortisol. And pancreas, it will produce insulin and gonad. The gonad there is testes and ovaries. It will produce estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. In the kinds of teeth, there is incisor, canine, premolar, and wisdom teeth. And incisor will cut out foods, and canine will tear the foods. And premolar and wisdom teeth, it will break down the foods when you are eating meat. Kinds of teeth, the deciduous teeth and the pernicious teeth. It will get out in 6 months, and the pernicious teeth will get out in when you are 6 years old. And it will get 30 teeth, 32 teeth. And the deciduous teeth, was thick, and it was thick, small and weak, big and strong, and 10 and 12 years old, and it will maintain all of your life. And when you are just left hand, you will eat your teeth in the left side. And when you are right hand, you will eat in the right side. And the bones connection. Inside your bones connection, there is direct connection and indirect connection. The fiber link, it will connect two bones or tissues that are different, and some are long and thin. And the two bones will just stuck together like the hind bones. And the osnoid granulation, it's the fiber hyaline bones that get together, and the amylation become it. And the indirect connection, bones and bones connect in the stiff-bone field. And born to adults, it will change the bones. Like when you are a baby, you will have 308. And when you are adults or most people, it will have 206 bones. Difference of the child and adult. When you are a child and your skeleton or skulls, it will have a lot of break parts. And when you are adults, the break parts will just get together, so the bones will just get very a bit. The healthy foods from bones. Little eat some good sources of the calcium, flowers, nuts, orange juice, yogurt, milk, porridge, cereal, and cheese. Salmon, mackerel, seafood, and tuna. Also the supplements. You will always get healthy bones. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, that's a very good presentation, but you take extra 3 minutes. Yeah, more than 3 almost, 3.5. Because you talk a lot. Okay, that's a nice presentation, and it's open for question and answer session. Who's gonna ask us? Yes.
I have some questions.
Okay, good.
I thought
You forgot something, teacher can't just remind.
I think that this is a very good presentation.
Yeah.
You have lots of information.
Thank you.
And I think you described some more things than the book did, but I think it's very good to have lots of information. But I also wanted to know, except for premolar, canine, and incisor, is there another type of teeth? Molar. But I thought that the wisdom teeth was a sort of molar.
How many types of the teeth?
Cool. That's when I'm having searching, it says that on the back there's the wisdom teeth that we need to remove.
So how many teeth we have? Like adult? Like there are 2 things in the question. One is how many teeth. Second, types.
Incisor, canine, molar, and molar. And we are. What is this question?
Okay. You mentioned in your PPT that the number of teeth in human mouth, right? Adult or baby, right? So you already explained that there are like 4 types of the teeth: molar, premolar, incisor, and canine, right? And we want to know how many teeth are there in adult.
Adult is 32.
Okay. And how about the baby?
20.
20. Okay. Okay. And next question?
And I wanted to know, except for all those like cells, is there like some more types of cells?
You mean a part of like red blood cells and white blood cells?
Red blood cells, T cells, neutrophil cells.
Okay, you need to ask question to Willy. The focus should be on Willy. Okay? Yeah. Do you understand the question?
Yeah.
Okay.
There is also not.
Okay. All right. Next question, Brad or Joyce?
How many teeth that a child and baby have? It's like child is like somebody have the elementary school, and for the baby is like born about like 2 months.
That's like more detail. I mean, can we switch another question because we talked about teeth? So I think we give him another question.
Already asked this
Yeah. Can we have the another question? You can think while I invite Rab to ask the question. We need to cover all the content. Yes, Rab? Sit properly first. You should sit properly. Okay. Yes, Rab?